In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to create a non-persistent global pool using two different regions in Azure. First, create a non-persistent pool in each region by filling out the appropriate fields for each pool. Next, click on the Global Pools tab and then click Add Global Pool. Give the pool a name, choose Non-Persistent for the pool type, select the default load balancing method, warm-up policy, and specify the total number of desktops you want in the global pool. Proceed to add the two pools you created earlier to the list of pools. The first pool in the list will be the primary pool, and the second pool will be the secondary pool. Choose a security group to assign to the global pool, and then click Add Global Pool to finish creating the pool. Once completed, you can go back and look at the pools you originally created. You will see the primary pool populated with the number of machines you specified in the global pool. The secondary pool will have 0 machines but will be used as needed if there is a capacity issue or failure of the primary pool.